Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Today we are going to discuss applications of trigonometry, class 10, exercise 12.1, problem number 2.
Exercise 12.1, question number 2. A tree breaks due to the storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground by making 30 degrees angle with the ground. The distance between the foot of the tree and the top of the tree on the ground is 6 meters. Find the height of the tree before falling down.
Let us see the solution. Here one tree is there. For example, this is the tree. So here the tree breaks due to the storm and broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground. This is the tree. So some part it is broken. For example, up to here it is broken. So like this. So that broken part it is touches the ground. Here it is touching. So that touches the ground, that part it is the distance between foot of the tree and top. This is the top of the tree. So foot of the tree and top of the tree is given by 6 meters it is given. So we need to find total before falling. What is the height of the tree we need to find. So here the diagram I am drawing here now. From diagram to only we can solve the problem. So this is the remaining tree, this is the broken part, and this is the distance between foot of the tree and top of the tree. A, B, C. So AC is given by 6 meters it is given. So this one we don't know. So falling one also we don't know. This is X meters and this is the H meters and this is the X meters I am taking. Now I am taking AC equal. So what is AC here? Distance between foot of the tree and top of the tree. Foot of the tree and top of the tree. That equals 6 meters. Next I am taking BC. What is BC? That broken part. The length of the broken part. So BC equal length of the broken tree equal we are taking X meters. This one you can take, length you have to take. Next AB you can take. So AB equal, so what is AB? Remaining part of the tree. So that is let remaining part of the tree equal part of the tree equal H meters I am taking. H meters. Now here it is making the elevation angle. How much angle it is making? 30 degrees angle it is making. So 30 degrees. The elevation angle equal 30 degrees. Now you can take here, this is the AB is the opposite side, AC is the adjacent side. Opposite and adjacent, what is the trigonometric ratio? That is tan. So now I am taking tan 30 degrees equal opposite side to angle 30 by adjacent side to angle 30. So just I am writing OPP and ADJ only I written here. Now
So tan 30, as it is I am taking tan 30 equal opposite. What is opposite? H is the opposite, that is AB by AC. So tan 30 value we know, that is 1 by root 3 equal AB value is H by AC value is 6 meters. Now you can take the cross multiplication, just you can transpose this one, 6 by root 3 equal H. H value we got it here. This is equation number 1 you can take. That is equation number 1. Same as it is, this is the adjacent, this is the hypotenuse. Adjacent and hypotenuse. What is the trigonometric ratio? That is cos. So now I am taking cos 30 degrees equal, so cos 30 value is adjacent side to angle 30 by hypotenuse. That equal adjacent is AC by hypotenuse is BC. Now cos 30 value already we know, that is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 equal AC value is 6 into BC value is X. BC value is X. Now we can take the cross multiplication. What we can get? Root 3 into X equal 6 into 2. That equal root 3 into X equal 12. This root 3 you can transpose to right. X equal 12 by root 3. 12 by root 3 we got it. Now this value we got it 12 by root 3. This value we got it 6 by root 3. Now we need to take height of the tree before falling one we need to find. So height of the tree before falling down equal, so before falling down, this is the remaining part, this is the broken part. Both we are adding only we can get. So H plus X. H value how much here? 6 by root 3 plus X value is 12 by root 3. So here denominators are equal. So you can directly add the numerators. 6 plus 12 is 18. So 18 by root 3. 18 by root 3. Here I am taking that value. So 18 how we can write it? 6 3 is 18 huh? So 6 into 3 by root 3. So root 3 1 root 3. Root 3 is 3. Means that equal 6 root 3 meters we are getting. So height of the tree before falling down equal, that is 6 root 3 meters. Already we know the root 3 value. What is the root 3 value? 1.732. So that equal root 3 equal 1.732. So that we are using means 6 into 1.732. That equal 6 into 2 is 12. 6 3 is 18 plus 1 19. 6 7 is 42. 43 plus 1 means 43. 6 1 is 6 plus 10. That equal 10.932 meters. This is the height of the tree before falling down. We have seen how to solve the problem by using applications of trigonometric ratios. In the next session, we are going to discuss same type of problem by using applications of trigonometric ratios. Do comment if you have any clarification in this topic. Please encourage me by subscribing my channel Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Like and comment on this topic. Dear students, do you like this video? Please share to your friends. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.